Clutch in. Listen to her, boy, she's cold. Got that 3-cylinder 201, I believe, diesel in it, naturally aspirated. You'll notice that it's got a offset reduction starter there, and you'll notice the clearance right there. I had to actually rotate the starter, which meant cutting off one of the ears and rotating it, but as you can see, it's pretty nice. So to start this thing, what you do is you got the main high-low lever here in neutral. So there's 3 positions right there in neutral. Turn the key on, thermal start, and I'm going to have to see if I can hold this while I'm cranking. So I'm holding the thermostat and still holding the thermostat.